مرحبا. موضوع اليوم.
At the train station.
What time does the train to London leave?
It departs at 10:30 a.m.
That's perfect. We have plenty of time.
Yes, we should arrive early.
Do you have the tickets?
Yes, they're in my bag.
Great, let's find our platform.
I think it's platform 3.
Do we need to validate the tickets?
No, they're already validated.
Good to know. Let's wait here.
The train should be here soon.
I hope it's not delayed.
Me too, but we can check the schedule.
There's a digital board over there.
Here's the arrival and departure times.
Looks like our train is on time.
That's a relief.
Do you want to grab a snack for the journey?
Sure, I could go for a coffee.
I'll join you. Let's head to the cafe.
Do we need to take anything else?
Just our bags and maybe some reading material.
Got it. He'll get our snacks.
Here's the cafe. What do you want?
I'll have a latte and a croissant.
I'll get a cappuccino and a muffin.
Sounds delicious. Let's enjoy our treats.
Yes, and then we'll board the train.
I can't wait for our trip to London.
It's going to be an adventure.
مفردات.
Train. Leave. Perfect. Time. Early. Tickets. Bag. Platform. Validate. Digital. Board. Arrival. Departure. Delayed. Schedule. Relief. Snack. Coffee. Reading. Material.
شكرا لمشاهدتك. لا تنس أن تعجب بالفيديو، اشترك في قناتنا، وفعل الإشعارات لكي لا تفوتك أي من فيديوهاتنا.